Hello and welcome. In this video, we will explore how property management teams can maintain better control over property contracts. Keeping track of property contracts across multiple locations is not easy. As portfolios grow, it becomes harder to stay on top of timelines, renewal dates, and actions that need attention. One of our clients in the property management services industry was facing similar challenges. To address this, our team at Perceptive Analytics developed an analytical solution that gives C level executives and department heads a clear view of contract timelines and overall portfolio status. With this dashboard, teams can monitor all property contracts and subscriptions in one place, get timely alerts for upcoming expiries and renewals, identify high risk properties, and take focused, immediate action, improve tenant satisfaction through timely maintenance. If your team is facing similar challenges, you can book a free consultation using the link below. Now, let's have a quick look at how this works. Let's start with the top level summary. We can see that 85 insurance contracts have already expired, and 7 more are about to expire in the next 30 days. 14 service contracts are expired, and 2 more are at risk this month. On the mortgage side, 4 contracts are already defaulted. This view alone alerts the team that urgent follow up is needed, especially for insurance and service contracts. Now, let's dive deeper into the insurance section. This part gives us a clear breakdown of all 85 expired policies and categorizes upcoming expiries into 30-day buckets. 8 are expiring in 0 to 30 days, 7 in 31 to 60 days, and 4 in 61 to 90 days. This structure helps teams prioritize what needs immediate attention and what can be scheduled for later. The expiry calendar highlights clusters when multiple contracts are ending around the same time, so teams can plan their resources accordingly. On the right, we can view the actual contract details. Here we can see that Monolith Holdings has multiple contracts already expired, including liability and umbrella insurance overdue by more than 300 days. That's a huge risk. If anything goes wrong at the property, there is no valid insurance in place to cover it. Now, let's go to the service contract section. 14 contracts are expired. 2 are expiring within 30 days, 1 in the next month, and 2 more in 61 to 90 days. In the calendar, we can also see the one contract that is set to expire next month. Monolith Holdings appears again, this time with expired contracts for HVAC, fire alarm maintenance, and extermination. These are not optional services. They are critical to keep the property safe and functional. From just this view, the ops team can immediately tell that Monolith needs a full audit and urgent follow up. Now, let's look at the mortgages. There is one property loan due within 90 days. Again for Monolith Holdings, due on 20th August 2024 with 293 days remaining. This gives the finance and legal teams enough time to prepare documents or trigger internal approvals. So, across all three contract categories insurance, service, and mortgages Monolith Holdings has the most critical contracts either overdue or expiring soon. This is the kind of insight that cuts through the noise and tells the team this property needs attention now. If you want better visibility into contract timelines and upcoming renewals, you can schedule a free consultation with us right now. Perceptive Analytics is your trusted data analytics partner. If you need a similar dashboard or a custom data solution, then get in touch with us today.